Hello. Yeah, it's good. Sorry, guys. There was some voice configuration. I got it. I got it. I know. Why I fixed the voice now. I think voice is working now. Hopefully, it's working now, right? Yeah, it's working. It's working now. Cool. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry, guys. Okay, guys. So once again, Happy New Year to everyone, to all of you guys. I know I was quite busy for the last couple of weeks. Was not able to take classes and everything, but now I'm back. I'm back with you guys. So now we're going to work on it. We're going to start today. Everything. So good evening, everyone. I know many of you were having is already having some doubts at where I was, what I was doing, and stuff like that. I completely agree with you. But yeah, I had a busy way. So yeah. So I guess everyone enjoyed their uh what vouchers are we talking about? And I have no clue about that. So I think you should message Discord. Someone will take up that doubt. I don't know what vouchers talking about. Happy New Year, guys. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. I don't know what this means. Boom. I don't know. Maybe same to you. I don't know. If it going good. Okay. So I think everyone is good, right? So I know it has been some time. I got yeah. Thank you so much, Hyper Samurai. Thank you. Yeah. So I had birthday in my weekend. Yeah, like last weekend I had a birthday, so I was busy with that. You know, enjoying and stuff like that. Okay. Yeah. I don't know, Ananya. Okay, I will confirm about it and give you an update on it. I have no clue personally. I have to figure it out. I don't know. This is on Discord maybe. Oh, let's resolve it. Okay. Okay. Hey Abhinav, I know you're new here. That sounds good, man. So today we're talking about cryptography today. So it's a topic of hacking and it's a cybersecurity. Let's say that. So we'll talk about cybersecurity and everything in this lecture series. So hey Abhinav, welcome. Let's start and see how it goes. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Yeah, we've got the message, man. So seriously. Okay. Happy New Year. Happy New Year to you. Okay. I think everyone's good now. Okay, so it's like we are taking classes for so long, so let's wait for a couple of minutes. Let everyone join. If anyone got some doubts on anything, let's pick up that. I don't know. Let's move forward that one. Okay. I don't know. Yeah, or if it's good if you have a decent knowledge about Python, because today we will start programming on Python, because I plan to actually start programming tomorrow. But a lot of you guys are quite curious to know how to program, how to write codes, and I don't know, cybersecurity and everything. So we'll start with it today itself. So we won't take the blame for tomorrow. We will do it right now, right here with everyone of us. So it will be cool. Yeah, that's what I use. That's right. That's what I use. Have an issue too. Oh, school class is seems strange. No, it's not a school class, man. It's not a school class. Don't say it's a school class. Yeah, parrots in OS like Abraham. That's okay. So don't think about operating systems right now. You use Ubuntu, Linux, sorry, Ubuntu, Kali, Windows, Mac, Parrot. It doesn't matter. This is forget about it. Anurag, I will try to do it. I cannot assure you about that. First of all, it's just a lot of things are going on these days. A lot of I don't know. I don't get enough time about this. So we'll figure it out anyhow. But yeah, definitely we're going to have classes on weekends. Don't worry about that. So I know last couple of weekends was a busy for me, so that's why it got somewhere out. But yeah, we'll work on it. So yeah, you will have classes every weekend. So. Okay, so let's start for today. Yeah, so everyone is here. I think we should start for today itself. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Again, I think that's where we say it at end. So yeah, so let's have a drum roll and start with today's lecture on cryptography. I don't know, it's weird. Okay, so Alexa, drum roll, please.
Okay.
Alright, so today we are talking about cryptography. So cryptography is one of the most important branch in hacking. So there's multiple reasons why this branch is extremely interesting, important, and slightly mathematical. Let's understand from the basic itself. So why I'm saying the cryptography is interesting. even though many people think cryptography is boring, right? Because that's not what something looks cool to every one of us. But cryptography is really important. Our whole world, whole society right now is completely indulged and is working only on the basis of cryptography. For example, you make a bank transaction. So every data has been transmitted uh, using cryptography, right? So if there's no cryptography, there's no encodings and everything. So you won't be able to transfer data. So let's understand how cryptography goes forward. Okay. So let's say over here, I have uh, engine. Okay. So let's say I got an engine with me. This is a function. Okay. So this is a function which encrypts whatever I give. So for example, let's say like this. I write A and output I get C. Okay. I write B and output I get D. Right. So that's how it goes. So this is a function. Let's say it's a cryptography function or a cipher. So these are called ciphers basically. So we'll talk about in depth. So this is a basic understanding of the whole scene. Okay, so let's say we got say A, we get C, we get B, we get D. Okay, so if I say A, B, 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 A, B, B, A, right? So what output would I get? I would get CD, DD, C, D, D, C, right? That's simple. So these are ciphers. When you convert from something to something else, which cannot be read by humans or anyone else altogether. That's how ciphers work. So ciphers are not for like it's not starting from today itself. Ciphers are there from since beginning. I would say it's been a long time. Every single when kings and queens were there, they also use ciphers to transfer data from one area to another. Okay, so when we talk about hacking and cybersecurity, even the people like us all together use cryptography to send messages on WhatsApp because WhatsApp are two-way encrypted. We'll talk about that in a while. So that's how it goes. So that's what encryption or cryptography in basic and overlooked manner means. So I'm clear to everyone. Like everyone understands what cryptography in a really basic way goes like. Am I good with everyone? Okay. Someone is saying please talk in Hindi. Okay, my Hindi is bad, guys. I guess you guys know all about this already. Okay, so हिंदी में बताऊं तो एक चीज होती है जो कि आपके एक कुछ लिखे हुए शब्दों को तोड़ मोड़ के दूसरे शब्दों में बदल देती है. उसको जो तोड़ मोड़ बीच में हो रही है, that's cryptography. That's a pretty obvious, right? Cool. So guys, moving forward with today. So today we'll talk about two cryptographic algorithms. One is Caesar cipher and other is mono substitution. That's the two we'll talk about. We'll write code on that on Python as well today. So that's going to move forward with that. Okay, so let's understand what are different types of cryptographies. Let's take to that one. I think I have space for it. Okay, let's draw a line and talk about types of different cryptography. Okay, so we have cryptography. I don't know how I should show it to you guys. Like, should I do cryptography? Let's call it C like this. So that would be more interesting. Okay, so we have symmetric, we have asymmetric, and we have hash. So these are three different types of cryptography. Okay, one is symmetric, one is asymmetric, and one is hash. Okay, I don't know what people are saying. Okay, guys, if something you don't understand and I'm speaking too much in English, just ping me that I should say the same things in Hindi as well, because my Hindi is not that good. Even Hindi is not that good, so I don't know. दोनों बेकार हैं ऐसे तो, but ठीक है, whatever. Move forward. Okay, so we have symmetric, asymmetric, and hash. ठीक है, हमारे पास तीन अलग तरीके होते हैं. इसकी हिंदी मुझको आती भी नहीं है, तो मैं कुछ बता भी नहीं पाऊंगा. So what exactly symmetric means? So let's first pick up the point of symmetric. Okay, so we have symmetric. In case of symmetric, it's quite simple. I know, right? Thanks, Samara. I know. I will not try to talk in Hindi. Yeah. Okay, so okay, mixed language is fine. कुछ कह रहे हैं, ठीक है, मतलब देखते हैं. Let's figure it out. ठीक है, आराम से चलते हैं. Let's move forward slowly and slowly. I don't know why people are writing FFF. What does F means? Okay, so symmetric. So symmetric cryptography is basically when we have a same key for the encryption as well as decryption. Okay, so let's understand what is encryption and what is decryption. Ujjwal will talk about that in the future lectures itself, or maybe today itself. Let's see how much time we have for that. So we'll talk about that. Don't you worry. Okay, so let's move forward slowly and let's understand the basic concepts before moving too much fast and not able to grasp what was actually thing behind it. So let's look at it slowly. Okay. Okay, so just giving you a basic idea to encryption works on asymmetric transactions. Okay, we will talk about it. Don't worry. So we have symmetric encryption. So what exactly symmetric means? It means that when we call about encryption, okay, let's say we have encryption and we have decryption. So for example, if I send A, it gets converted to, I don't know, 1, and in decryption, it gets converted back to A, right? So over here, this area is the channel of transmission. Okay, so let's say it as transmission. Okay, so इसको थोड़ा और clearly समझने की कोशिश करो. Think it like this, guys. हमने okay, तो मैं हिंदी में बताऊंगा थोड़ा सा, ठीक है? Let's talk in Hindi for a while. Yes, हलवा ओपी, आज हम करेंगे प्रैक्टिकल. बहुत टाइम हो गया प्रैक्टिकल नहीं करे, मतलब कोड नहीं करा. आज कोड करेंगे बढ़िया सा, एकदम कुछ सही सा कोड लिखेंगे और तुम्हारा होमवर्क होगा उस कोड को हैक करना. मजा आएगा, ठीक है? सो मजा आएगा. सो हमारे पास ए है, ठीक है? तो मैं कहता हूं कि एक राजा है, उस राजा को दूसरे राजा के पास कोई मैसेज डिलीवर करना है, बट वो राजा खुद तो मैसेज डिलीवर करने जाएगा नहीं. तो हाउ इट गोज इज, वो किसी और को बोलता है कि आप जाओ और ये मैसेज दे के आओ, ठीक है? तो चिट्ठी में लिख देता है कि डियर प्रेम राजा, आई वॉन्ट टू टेल यू दिस 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 दिस, ठीक है? मतलब इस टाइप से जो पुराने जमाने में होता था. सो उस केस में अब कोई भी बंदा जो बीच में सामान लेके जा रहा है वो मैसेज रीड कर सकता है, राइट? जैसे आज के टाइम पे अगर मैं इंटरनेट की बात करूं, सो व्हाट आई एम सेइंग, आई एम टाइपिंग हियर, आई एम सेंडिंग सम मैसेज फ्रॉम वन पर्सन टू अनदर, मतलब मैं किसी को मैसेज यहां से वहां भेज रहा हूं, तो बीच में वो मैसेज बहुत जगह से ट्रांसमिट होकर जाता है, राइट? उस टाइम पे काफी लोग उस मैसेज को रीड कर सकते हैं. उस चीज को बचाने के लिए हम उसको इंक्रिप्ट कर देते हैं. सो फॉर एग्जांपल आई एम गिविंग ए को इंक्रिप्ट करके मैं 1 कर दिया. अब ये वापस ए करने के लिए कहां पे होगा? जहां पे अपना जहां मैसेज डिलीवर करना है. सो दैट्स हाउ इट गोस विद इंक्रिप्शन as well as decryption. So A get converted to 1 and 1 get converted to A back to back. So this is what is called a symmetric. Okay, this is not symmetric. This is basically just encryption and decryption. But when we use same key for encryption as well as decryption, it is called symmetric cryptography. Symmetric key cryptography. क्या बात सब क्लियर हुई? अगर मैं इसको इंक्रिप्ट करने के लिए जो की का इस्तेमाल कर रहा हूं और उसी की का इस्तेमाल उसको मैं डिक्रिप्ट करने के लिए कर रहा हूं, मतलब इंक्रिप्ट करने के लिए भी जो की का इस्तेमाल कर रहा हूं, डिक्रिप्ट करने के लिए भी, तो हम सिमेट्रिक बोलेंगे. कहने का मतलब कि जो मेरे पास ताला है, ठीक है? I don't know, this is a weird way looking, I don't know, maybe like this something. Yeah, this is cool. So मेरे पास जो एक की है, ओके, ऐसे कुछ बना देते हैं छोटी सी. Cool. Cool. Let add something like this. Cool. So मेरे पास एक की है, ठीक है? जो ये की है, इस की का मैं यूज कर रहा हूं किसके लिए? लॉक करने के लिए. और इसी की का यूज कर रहा हूं उसको वापस अनलॉक करने के लिए. तो इसको हम बोलेंगे सिमेट्रिक क्रिप्टोग्राफी. ये बहुत सिंपल होती है, फास्ट होती है, और इसका इस्तेमाल होता है कि हमको जब एक जगह दूसरी जगह मैसेजेस डिलीवर एंड एक्सचेंज करना है. अब हम बात करेंगे एसिमेट्रिक की. So let's move forward and talk about asymmetric. Asymmetric cryptography. Okay guys, so asymmetric cryptography क्या होती है? हाँ वेट वेट, सबर करो, बता रहे हैं। अब बात आती है एसिमेट्रिक क्रिप्टोग्राफी। सो व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इज एसिमेट्रिक क्रिप्टोग्राफी? जब हम लोग इंक्रिप्शन के लिए डिफरेंट की का इस्तेमाल करते हैं और डिक्रिप्शन के लिए डिफरेंट की का इस्तेमाल करते हैं, उसको हम बोलते हैं एसिमेट्रिक क्रिप्टोग्राफी। क्या बात सबको क्लियर हुई? अगर मैं, ठीक है, मेरे पास यहाँ पे एक की है जो कि मैं उसको बोल रहा हूँ 1, और ये मेरे पास की है 2, ये मैं कर रहा हूँ इंक्रिप्शन और मैं यहाँ पे कर रहा हूँ डिक्रिप्शन। मेरी राइटिंग इतनी बुरी है, मैं क्या बताऊं। ओके सो ये 1 है, यहाँ पे वापस ए आ गया। बट इस केस में जहां जिस की का इस्तेमाल करके मैं इंक्रिप्ट कर रहा हूं, उस की से मैं उसको डिक्रिप्ट नहीं कर सकता। ये बात बहुत जरूरी समझनी। इफ आई एम यूजिंग की ए, सो इसको भी थोड़ा एक बार देख लेते हैं, थोड़ा सा ड्राइंग से देखते हैं। आई डोंट नो, मुझे ड्राइंग काफी कूल लगती है बनाने थोड़ी सी। सो दिस इज माय ड्राइंग। ओके, मुझे लगता है मैं आर्टिस्ट बन सकता हूँ ड्राइंग करता रहा सही से, मतलब नहीं। व्हाट डू गाइस थिंक? मतलब आई डोंट नो, मे बी आई कैन बिकम एन आर्टिस्ट समडे, राइट? आई डोंट नो। ओके सो मेरे पास की ए है, इस की का यूज करके मैं लॉक कर सकता हूँ, ये लॉक हो गया। ओके लेकिन मैं इस की का इस्तेमाल करके इसको ओपन नहीं कर सकता, तो ये मेरा लॉक्ड है। अगर मैं इस की से ओपन करना चाहूँ तो क्या होगा? ओपन नहीं होगा। मुझे उसके लिए, ओके मैं जल्दी जल्दी बता रहा हूँ थोड़ा ना, मतलब बोरिंग सा ना हो, बी, इस की का यूज करना पड़ेगा इसको खोलने के लिए। तो उसके बाद क्या हो जाएगा? ये ओपन हो जाएगा। ओपन होगा, ओपन क्लोज, ठीक है। ओके सो ये बात बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट समझनी। तो जिस की का इस्तेमाल करके लॉक कर रहा हूं, उस की का इस्तेमाल करके मैं खोल नहीं सकता, और वाइस वर्सा। सो दिस इज कॉल्ड asymmetric cryptography. Cool, right? That's how it is. That is where maths come in. यहीं पे मैथ्स आती है। हम जब एक लॉक के साथ 2 की खेलते हैं तो मैथ्स आती है। That's cool thing, right? नहीं मतलब ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है, मैंने करा हुआ था ताकि मैं कोडिंग थोड़ी बहुत सिखाऊंगा, तब उसमें तो मैं VS कोड में लिख लेंगे, वरना पाइथन जुपिटर में लिख लेंगे। इट डजंट मैटर पाइथन में कोड लिखना है, आप नोटपैड में लिखो बैठ के, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। ठीक है आगे बढ़ते हैं। अब सबसे खतरनाक और माय फेवरेट कम्स हैशिंग, राइट? अब हम बात करेंगे इसकी हैशिंग की। Yes, Ujjwal, cryptography is mathematics. Ujjwal, parts, right? Parts. So, what are these keys? So, these keys are basically your codes, which are used to, I don't know, unlock it. Like that's how it goes. I don't know. What should be the right terminology which I should be using for you to understand it? We will. Okay, so think this key just like a lock and key. This is also one key which has certain text which is used to actually decipher it. Like, yeah, we'll talk about that. Give me a minute more on that. So I will explain you much better. Then we'll go deeper. Oh, that's cool. Line. Yeah. Okay, so let's talk about now number 3, hashing. So why is hashing important and why hashing is useful? Salting. I don't know what you're talking about. What about salting? I don't know. That's not what hashing is, and that's not what hashing is. Okay. I don't know what is salting. I don't know what is salting, guys. I don't know. Maybe I know. I don't know the terminology. I don't know. Yes, you can, and we will do that. Yeah, हम करेंगे वो भी। अब हम बात करते हैं हैशिंग की। अभी तक हमने देखा क्रिप्टोग्राफी साइफर्स की बात कर रहे हैं। So, उस केस में क्या होता है? We will use one key or we will use a function to encrypt something, another function to decrypt something. Right? That's how we are moving forward. In case of hashing, हम कुछ A से B बनाते हैं, बट हम उस बी से कभी भी ए नहीं बना सकते. वी कैन नॉट मेक बी, sorry, we cannot make a back. So let's figure it. Let's write something and see. We have a, we have this beautiful hash function, okay, and I get out of it b, right? इस b से मैं कभी a पे नहीं जा सकता. I cannot make a again from b. ये हैश होता है. It's always one sided. Symmetric की cryptography and asymmetric cryptography are two sided, right? They have two ways. We have encryption and decryption, but hash functions do not have decryption. It has only and only encryption, right? सबको clear हुई चीज? Is this clear to everyone that what is hashing from basic, like, right? Okay, Vishal. No. Even if you know what is inside hash function, you cannot break it. And I will give an example for that. It's a beautiful, simple example, and everyone, those who have done Python, has or might have used it once or twice, or maybe n number of times. That's the beautiful thing about it. We don't decrypt it. Yes, I will tell you why we use hashing, but that's an interesting story and an interesting philosophy. I don't know, what should I say? Okay, so that's right, Tane. That's right. That's right. That's right. It is used for, okay, asymmetric का भी example देंगे, symmetric का भी example देंगे और hashing का भी example देंगे. घबराओ मत, आज हम आए हैं, आज सब कुछ देंगे, सारे examples देंगे. ओके गाइस, सो हम हैशिंग पता करते क्यों यूज होती है, बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग बात है. सो ये कहानी है, ज्यादा पुरानी नहीं है, अभी कुछ 5-10 साल की, 10 years बैक. सो आई डोंट रिमेंबर द इयर्स, बट क्या हुआ था, एक बहुत बड़ी कंपनी थी, ठीक है, बहुत बड़ी कंपनी थी, उसके पास डेटाबेस था. उस डेटाबेस में यहाँ पे ईमेल आईडी थी और यहाँ पे पासवर्ड थे, राइट? एवरीवन यूज दैट. सबके पास डेटाबेस होता है, यूट्यूब, गूगल, बिग बिग थिंग्स. एवरीवन हैज ईमेल आईडीज एज वेल एज पासवर्ड्स, राइट? बट ये पासवर्ड सिंपल टेक्स्ट फॉर्मेट में लिखे होते हैं. मतलब कैसे? ABC, CDF, समथिंग समथिंग और समथिंग समथिंग. अगर मैं पासवर्ड्स को इंक्रिप्ट कर दूंगा तो वो डिक्रिप्ट भी हो सकते हैं. हुआ क्या, एक कंपनी का डेटाबेस हैक हो गया, और दिस वाज द बिगेस्ट डेटाबेस हैक इन, लाइक, बिगेस्ट एवर. उसके बाद उसके अंदर से अबाउट मिलियंस ऑफ पासवर्ड्स मिल गए, ठीक है. और ये बात कुछ समझने वाली, ये एक थोड़ी फिलोसफिकली भी समझने वाली बात है. पासवर्ड्स हम नॉर्मली सेम रखते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल, टॉक अबाउट मी, मेरा जीमेल का, यूट्यूब का, फेसबुक का, और सारे पासवर्ड मेरे सेम है. ये बताना नहीं चाहिए, बट व्हाटएवर, मेरे सारे के सारे पासवर्ड सेम है. सो अगर किसी को मेरा एक पासवर्ड मिल जाएगा तो उसको मेरे सारे पासवर्ड मिल जाएंगे, राइट? हुआ क्या, उस कंपनी का डेटाबेस हैक हो गया, और उस एक कंपनी का डेटाबेस हैक होने की वजह से आप सारे पासवर्ड लीक हो गए. और उससे क्या समझ आया कि लोगों के बहुत सिंपल पासवर्ड्स थे. कैसे पासवर्ड्स थे? I forget the name of that company. I will let you know, guys. I will definitely let you know, guys. Right, Ujjwal. So one gone, all are gone. Right? No, guys, इतनी बड़ी कंपनी नहीं थी, छोटी कंपनी थी. It was a decently big company. I forgot the name. Give me a day's time. I will let you know. मतलब कल बताता हूँ. उसको भूलते हैं. Let's forget the company. Let's move forward and understand how important hashing is now. No, it's not Cambridge Analytica. Not really. I'm much smarter than that. I have written some scripts which change password instantly whenever I feel like something is going wrong. Password gets changed instantly. Like, done, over. So coming back to the game, so what happened was सारे password leak हो गए. So that's where hashing is important. So what we do is, for example, मेरा password है Nalin 1 2 3 4, राइट. अगर मैं डेटाबेस के अंदर इसको डायरेक्ट स्टोर कर दूंगा, ठीक है, तो ये गलत है, रॉन्ग वे. ठीक है, उस केस में क्या करता हूं मैं, Nalin 1 2 3 4 को कन्वर्ट कर देता हूं एक हैश फंक्शन के थ्रू. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे एक फंक्शन जाएगा हैश फंक्शन, और मेरे पास एक आउटपुट आएगा कुछ रैंडम लिखा है. ठीक है, दैट्स कंप्लीटली हाउ इट गोस. ये जो हैश फंक्शन मेरे पास आया, दिस हैश फंक्शन विल ऑलवेज बी सेम व्हेनेवर आई राइट Nalin 1 2 3 4. मतलब हैश फंक्शन कभी भी चेंज नहीं होता. कैसे मतलब, अगर मैं उसमें बोल रहा हूं कि मैं Nalin डाल रहा हूं और उसको मैं फंक्शन से पास कर रहा हूं, तो मेरे पास हमेशा आउटपुट क्या आएगा, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, ये. ठीक है, और इसका कुछ और लगा देते हैं 5. सो अब जब भी मैं डालूंगा ये आउटपुट आएगा. सो कंपनीज ने क्या करना स्टार्ट करा, दे स्टार्टेड स्टोरिंग पासवर्ड्स इन हैश फॉर्मेट. ठीक है, तो उसको उन्होंने हैश फॉर्मेट में सेव करना स्टार्ट करा. अगर डेटाबेस हैक भी हो गया, अगर सारे डेटाबेस हैक भी हो गए, दे कैन नॉट एवर फाइंड आउट द रियल पासवर्ड, राइट, क्योंकि सिस्टम हैश मैच करता है, नॉट द पासवर्ड इटसेल्फ. तो जो उससे एक हैश जनरेट होगा, इट विल मैच दैट हैश एंड नॉट द पासवर्ड. क्या ये चीज सबको क्लियर हुई? यस और नो? राइट, क्या ये चीज सबको क्लियर हो गई है कि हैश का यूज कहां पे है? इट इज यूज्ड टू एक्चुअली स्टोर पासवर्ड्स, सो वी कैन कंपेयर दोज हैश वैल्यूज टू फाइंड द रियल आउटपुट, राइट? I don't know. Once more. Okay, Vishal. It's simple. We never store passwords. We never store anything. So, I'm not sure about it. Again, I'm saying I'm not sure. It's something called U hacked or something. I don't know. U password list. If you just Google something as password list kind of thing, you will find it. Let me see if I can find it for you guys. RockU. Yeah, it is called RockU. That's how it got. It is called RockU. That's the name. So RockU was a company which developed widgets and everything. So this was the company which went bad. I don't know. Yeah, this was the company which went bad. So it's called RockU. And now we say RockU password list. So RockU password list is basically list of all the common passwords which people use, like pass 1 2 3 4 and stuff like that. So it's called RockU. Okay, guys. So that's how it goes. So now then they change everything, and now we actually can't access the passwords. We only get hash. So the most beautiful thing is, even okay, actually all these passwords are hash are converted and stored in the backend itself, not in the front end. मतलब डिवाइस टू डिवाइस वेरी नहीं करेगा, कांस्टेंट रहेगा, क्योंकि सब कुछ पीछे हो रहा है. हम सिर्फ डेटा भेजते हैं, वहां पे चेंज होता है जादू से और स्टोर हो जाता है. ठीक है, बम. Yeah, don't do that, guys. Don't do that. Okay, so you don't need passwords in that case. Now we need hash. अब मुझे क्या करा, मैं डेटाबेस में क्या स्टोर करा, ये स्टोर करा, राइट. तो मैं जब भी लिखूंगा nalin.luthra@gmail.com, okay, उस केस में क्या होगा मेरे साथ, मेरे पास gmail.com है, मेरी इस आईडी के साथ मैं भेज दूंगा क्या, पासवर्ड मेरा, which is Nalin 1 2 3 4, राइट. ये पूरा ही पूरा सेट जाएगा. ये आईडी मेरी वैसी की वैसी रहेगी जैसी थी, राइट. आईडी वैसी की वैसी रहेगी, बट पासवर्ड मेरा चेंज हो जाएगा हैश में, और वो वाला हैश स्टोर हो जाएगा. और जब भी मैं पास करूंगा, हमेशा सेम हैश बनेगा, राइट. हमेशा सेम बनेगा, क्योंकि हम मैच करने से पहले उसको दोबारा कन्वर्ट कर लेते हैं. दैट्स सिंपल, राइट. No, you cannot. That's what I'm saying. That's the beauty of it. Yes, we will do advanced robotics. I promise you on that. After this, we'll do advanced robotics. That's one and for all. I got you, give you the answer. Who gave the answer? Nalin gave the answer. We'll do advanced robotics. Moving forward. Now, let's see why it's not possible to reverse the hash altogether. कितने लोगों ने ये करा है? 7. इसका आउटपुट बताओ चलो. Mod 4. इसका आउटपुट बताओ. 19 mod 4. इसका आउटपुट बताओ. 3 mod 4. इसका आउटपुट बताओ. Come on guys, fast. इसका बताओ. 7 mod 4 का आउटपुट क्या होगा? 19 mod 4 का आउटपुट क्या होगा? 3 mod 4 का आउटपुट क्या होगा? Fast. 3, right? 3. Everyone got the answer. It's 3, 3, 3. Right? Wrong, Chaitanya. Everyone output goes for 3 because that's are what these mod functions are for, right? Don't spam, guys. Don't spam, please. Don't spam. Right? Everyone is saying 3. 3 is the answer. This is my hash function. It's the most basic hash function. Most basic. Right? This is the most basic hash function. So what is hash function? Mod 4. This is hash function. Now, even if I give you the hash function, you cannot reverse this. So you have 3, 3, and 3. Now tell me how this 3, 3, 3 becomes 7, 19, and 3. It simply cannot. You can never predict it. Right? That this is what you get. Exactly, that's my point. You can't tell. And that's the story behind it, guys. Okay? So that's how it goes. This is what hash means. So does everyone understand what is the use of hash? How hash is beneficial? Why we use hash? And why not? Right? Cool? Should we start some coding now? कुछ कोड किया जाए या नहीं किया जाए? मैं तो बोलूँगा करा जाए तो करते हैं, मतलब ठीक है. Cool. Okay, so सबसे पहला कोड हम उठाएंगे आज. सीधे साइफर करें. सीधे साइफर कर सकते हैं. That's an interesting cipher. So we will start with Caesar cipher. What workers got? So they don't. No one, neither Gmail nor Google can read your passwords. No one can read it. Oh, Chetan, you got late. That's sad. So we talk about hash, asymmetric, and symmetric cryptography and stuff like that. Clear. It should be clear, not clear. That's weird. Okay. White. Okay. I need symmetric. We'll talk about that. Right. Thank you, Sakshan, so much for that. That's right. So now we will talk about Caesar cipher. It is never decoded, Harsh. It is never decoded. That's what I'm saying. It gets encrypted and saved in encrypted format, hashed format. Okay, so we will check hash. Who stole what? Don't steal, guys. That's wrong. You should not steal. Those who are stealing, you will be hacked. Not by me, by someone else, but you will be. Don't steal. Okay, so we will talk about Caesar cipher. Okay. Does anyone know about Caesar cipher? And those who are thinking this cipher is based on Julian Caesar, that's not true. Okay, so this cipher is not based on Julian and Caesar. This is called Caesar cipher, right? So if a word will always be same, they can put a function to get all the forms of all keys possible in the keyboard, and then you can hash and dehash. No, Arthwa, because this is the most simple way to hash it. But these days, hashing comes in extremely complicated and mathematical formulas, which cannot be just stored like that. Okay, it is like billion and billion of outputs with billions of billions raised to power billions. I don't know. Give you the biggest number you can think of inputs. So you just cannot. Okay. Okay, guys. So I think should we move forward now? Yeah, good enough. So let's move forward. Cool. So now let's talk about Caesar cipher. So this cipher is not, I don't know, is it based on Julius Caesar or not? I don't know about this. Some people ask me that this cipher is based on Julius Caesar. I don't know. It's a story in your English books, I guess. I don't know. So okay, so let's move forward now. So cipher में हम करेंगे Julian Caesar. Let's take green now. I got bored with colors. Okay, so Caesar cipher. So how exactly does Caesar cipher works? What is Caesar cipher? Why we need Caesar cipher and blah blah blah. So we don't actually need Caesar cipher, but it's a basics of cryptography. So we'll talk about Caesar cipher first. So what exactly Caesar cipher does is basically it shifts all the value by n number of alphabets. Okay, let's just think like this. So if I got A, B, C, D, E, F, cool. So I say A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. इतना ही कर दें, ठीक है, और बढ़ते नहीं आगे. इसका थोड़ा सा कर लेते हैं. F, A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J, J, K. We have J, we have K. Cool. Okay. So इसके साथ ये linked है. That's how it's going, right? That's right. Thanks. Okay, good. So Ruchi Pandey just updated us that this cipher is based on Julian Caesar. Cool. Okay, IMADI, this is the most basic hash function. This is not used by Google or Facebook or YouTube or anyone around the world. Like, this is the most basic, just to actually explain to you how these hash function mathematically works. This is not what we use. Forget it. We don't use it. It's just for the explanation. Okay, it's way too much complicated for that part. Okay, guys, now moving forward. Fun fact. We use more prime numbers for crypto. We'll talk about that in the next class. Okay, guys. So this is called Caesar cipher. Okay, so this is my input. I don't know why it's so big, man. I should just erase this one. Okay. So this will be my input, and this will be my output. Cool, cool. Cool. Done. Okay, guys. So let's give me quick answer as fast as you can. So in this case, value of n is 3 because the rotation is by 1, 2, and 3. Right. So 3 values are rotated. Quickly answer me what will be the output of B, C, E, F, H, K. Quick. What will be the output of B, C, F, H, K? If I input this, what will I get as output? If I say A, I will get D. B से E, C से F मिलेगा, D से G मिलेगा, E से H मिलेगा, F से I मिलेगा, G से क्या लिखा? J मिलेगा, right? Okay. आगे बढ़ते हैं. H से K मिल रहा है, I से L मिल रहा है. ये क्या लिखा मैंने? फिर से J से M और K से M. Quick. Okay. Someone is saying ifkin. We'll check about that. Ifkin, I don't know if it's right or wrong. I don't know. I'll have to check. Ifkin. Many people are saying ifkin. Let's hope ifkin is right. Yeah, ifkin. Everyone's going for ifkin. Ifkin. Let's see. Right. So we have E with this one. Okay, let's change the color for now. black. We have E with this C. We have F. From F I got I. We again got I. From H I got K. Okay, H similar K will have K say N. Right. So what do you guys say? Ifkin. Ifkin is good. Right. Cool. Got it. Ifkin. Cool. Yeah, Ifkin is right answer. So this is what we call a Caesar cipher. Right. I don't know, man. It doesn't matter. Some people call Ifkin, Ufkin, hiking. It doesn't matter what it doesn't. It's not even a word itself. Okay. So what I'm trying to explain it to you, the value is n is equal to 3 over here. It is called a Caesar cipher. That's all, right? So let's start the program to write a Caesar cipher. Now, what you guys have to figure it out is, I will tell it to you, but while you're writing code, you have to think about it. If I give you E, F, I, K, N, right? Can you tell me what will be the output of this using Caesar cipher if you don't know the value of n? You don't know n, right? You know it n because I've told you that n is equal to 3. So if I say n is equal to 3, can you decrypt it? If yes, please write a function to decrypt it, right? First we'll start to encrypt it and we'll see if we've got time to decrypt it as well to itself, right? So let's raise our jackets, or I don't know, like sweatshirt you go wearing, prepare your hoodie and open your wherever you want to code. So we'll code in Kali just to make it feel like hacking. It's not really hacking, it's just a simple hack. Okay, why my Kali is not working now? This is weird. It's supposed to be working. Yeah, it's loaded now. Cool. Okay, let's start our first Caesar cipher program of what? I don't know. Let's start. Okay, so let's make a folder. So I will call it Cryptography. Spelling say I don't know. Cryptography. Cool. Cool. Let's get into it. Open it. Let's open a terminal over here. Come on, terminal, get me what you got. So terminal is here. I will use Nano to actually program it if you want. Okay. Sure. Okay. Someone is saying just make a full screen control F. It's not working, man. Right control plus F for full screen Kali. I'm doing it, it's not working, so I don't know. Okay, so let's start coding, guys. Let's get ham dirty. Yeah, you can code in whatever language you want. Logic it's same. I've told you the logic, guys. So logic it's same. Do whatever you want to do. Okay. I will start in Nano. You can do wherever you want to do in programming. It doesn't matter. So I'm using command touch. So what exactly? Yeah, sure. Go for Sublime Text, man. Go for Sublime Text, PyCharm, VS Code, Notepad. It does not matter. Okay, so I will make, first of all, I will make a file. I will call it Caesar. Okay, okay, we will call it Caesar, C-A-E-S. I don't know, Caesar, yeah, Caesar, right? I will just rename it. So I don't know. Let's move it. So I'll just change the name first of all. What I'm doing, man, I'm just using some commands. Okay, so .py. Yeah, good. Okay, so touch basically means to make a file, right? So we say touch Caesar, we say mv Caesar. Okay, this basically means to rename or move a file from one to another. So I just move Caesar to this. ls basically means what all files I have. So let's edit this file now. Nano Caesar. Nano is Caesar. I don't know. Yeah. Cool. So if I press tab, I get whatever I want to. So this is Nano. So I'm using Nano to actually code it just because Why I'm using nano, I don't know. So let's do it. So we say def encrypt. Okay. We say encrypt. So what we have, we get some text, right? I get value of n as well. So let's move forward now. Cool. Result. Okay, so let's go with this. So this is the output we are expecting. So let's, I don't know, we'll traverse the function altogether for I in range length of text. Sounds good to me. Yeah, cool. So let's say char is equal to text of I, right? So what this char basically means is we are just collecting one and one thing like that, right? I don't know, man. A day or two. I don't know. Okay, moving forward. So let's say that's what we got, right? So when we say, okay, so now there are two different ways to actually get it done. Point number one is, first of all, thing is we what do you call it? The character can be upper or lowercase, both can be done. So we have to check according to DAC as well. So if it's upper, so if char dot is upper, like that's an inbuilt function right here. Okay. That's funny, right? I knew it's supposed to be funny. Okay. Okay, so let's say result, that's what we're supposed to be working on, plus is equal to CHR. Okay, now it is CHR, we have ORD. I will tell you what is ORD. Don't panic. I will tell you what is ORD. Right, I will do right now. Python. Right, so if I say ORD n, well, let's go with one for matter. It's not working, man. It's supposed to be working, but it's not working. What's wrong? Okay, sorry. Should be n like this. Yeah. 110. If I say A, 97. Right? If I say capital A, it should be 65. So ORD is basically converting ascribe values to something else, like that, like characters to ascribe values. That's what ORD is used for. Cool? Cool. 149. Moving forward, so we say ORD, right? So we say ORD char. Yeah, thanks, Mazur. That's right, Sky. But sometimes I feel I can be a stand-up comedian, but then I just wake up from my dreams. Move forward. So we say right plus s. So we say n minus 65. So why I'm using 65, I'll tell you that. Because in case of upper, like this, 65 is the basic. Like that's where it starts. 66 and so on. So we say ORD, say B, 66. And when we go with Z, 90. Oh, I'm looking like Z, not Z. It's Z. Oh, how stupid I look on that. Okay, moving forward. We say mod. Let's go with 26. Why we're using 26? If you don't know why we're using 26, it's simple. It's just because we have 26 alphabets. That's how it is, right? Right. So now you understand, Chetan. Everything around the world is same. That's right. Chetan is smart. Chetan is like Wolf Gupta. Sorry, kidding, guys. Don't take my word seriously. He's not Wolf Gupta. Kidding. Okay, moving forward now. Okay. Moving forward, we say else, right? So, okay, when it's a result. So, okay, if it's not upper, definitely it's lower. That's common sense, right? So we say result plus is equal to char, right? CHR, sorry, yeah. We call it CHR. Moving forward, we go ORD. We go with char plus with the n minus 97. Cool. Now we are using n minus 97 is like this one. For we are say ORD. I don't know, small a. Yeah, that's good. 97. Got it? So that's why we're using 97. Mod 26 plus what we show 97. Cool. It's cool. Okay, now we say return result, and we got it. So now let's start it. So we have A is equal to, give me, okay guys, give me something. Come on guys, shoot me something on it. What should I encode? Come on guys, tell me what should I encode. So someone is increasing the font size. Can I do it? I don't know, think so. I don't think maybe I can do it. So give me something guys. What should I just encode one on? Like, should I encode coding blocks? Let's say coding blocks. Coding blocks. I will keep the B capital as well as C capital. Right, so we get coding blocks. Okay. Okay, we say coding blocks. Let's say n is equal to 3. 3 sounds cool to me. Let's say print. I don't know which Python I have over here. Which is it? It's like Python 2.7. Do I have Python 3 as well on the system? Python 3. Yeah, I got Python 3 as well. So we will use Python 3 now. So yeah, print. We'll go with encrypt C R Y P T. Encrypt. We'll go with encrypt A. Yeah, encrypt A comma N. And we'll see what gets output. So we'll say save. We press Control plus X and then plus Y, and we press Enter. Save. So now let's run Python 3 Caesar.py. Got it. This is encrypted text. Now, answer me, how will you decrypt it? Come on, guys, think. Tell me the code as quick as possible to decrypt it. Anyone got any idea about this one? Let me copy it. Come on, guys, quick, give me an answer. How will you decrypt it? Come on, no one? Okay, I will show it to you. Oh, it's not working now? Is it yet working? But nano. B is equal to this. Alright. Now C. Again C. Carefully. R is equal to N 26 minus N. That's simple. We say print we say P comma R. Save it, run it. Okay, there's an error. What's the error? Okay, my bad. I should have like this. Done. Right? It's so simple. If you encrypt it using N, decryption is just 26 minus N. Bam. Right? That's right, Ujjwal. That's right. Simple. Okay, let me show you again. This is the code. For encryption, for decryption. Let's say over here. That's all. That's all. I mean, we did 26 minus N because that was means we are reversing the whatever we did for the encryption. That's just a reverse. Like, bam, reversed everything. Now, the homework. Okay. Okay, I will try to explain the code once again, guys. It's simple. So we took it. We just odd basically means to get a ascribed value. So we got a ascribed value for the characters 1 and 1. Then we added those characters depending upon what the rotation we are looking forward to and mod it by 26. Right? That's how I move forward. So I don't know. Today I don't have much time on this. Tomorrow I will take up this code again and explain everything line by line to you. This is for today. Okay, so we will work on this code tomorrow itself and we'll improve on it. Right? We'll improve on this code. Okay. Yeah, sure. Try go with -1. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if you go with -1 either cases. Right? This is your encryption for cryptography encryption for what are you doing? I don't know. This is cryptography encryption for Caesar cipher. Okay. 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 Many people got some doubts. We will take up on this tomorrow's class. That's simple. Don't worry about it. It's simple. I will try to explain it to you guys. So, think like this. I did already explain about n is equal to 3 over here, right? Right over here. I explained it that this one. Now, what I did was I took an ascribe value. So, for example, if I talk about small a, I got ascribe value 97. If we call about capital H, I got ascribe value 63. I'm guessing that's what it is. Let me check it again. 97 and 65, not 63. Right, it should be 65. Right. So what I did, I basically subtracted that amount from this. So, for example, if I look at over here, you can see over here, n minus 65 means 3. For example, that's 3 years minus 97 is equal to 94. Right. That's what I get. Now, slightly look forward to this one. This one. So it should be this one. Yeah. Mod 26. So plus this. For example, I talk about 94. Right. So what happens is a means 97. Right. So let's say 97 plus 3 minus 97. Right. We got mod. For example, I'm converting small a to into Caesar cipher. Right. Okay, so we take mod and we say mod 26. That's what we move forward, right? What next we wrote? We wrote plus 97. Okay, we say plus 97. Let's figure this out. What it's happening? So we say 97 plus 3, which is 100 minus 97, which would be what? 3. 3 mod 26 plus 97. So 3 more 26 is 3 plus 97 is equal to what? Come on guys, quick, simple, 100, right? So if I go over here and I write Python, right? I say chr of 100. It's D. So A gets converted to D if n is equal to 3. How difficult is that? Simple, right? If I say n is equal to 3 right over here, so what happens is A gets converted to D, right? Okay, code is right, Ujjwal. I don't know what error you're getting. Let me look error. What you're getting, but this code is absolutely right. So if you want, I can just send this code maybe in the group itself. I don't know. Is that possible? Copy. No, it's not. I guess. I don't know. If I just copy it, I will send this code, guys. I will send this code. Don't worry. Okay, so we can first of all we can do this result or k plus n. Can we do it? Oh, we cannot. It won't give the same results. Just check it out. Okay, now decrypting is simple. Shaksham, what I did was I just said 26 minus n is decryption, where n is encryption. Simple, right? Check it out. So for example, I got 3 over here, right? So what I said is 26 minus n is for decryption. Oh, I'm using it. Anyway, let's move forward. Let's see how it goes. So about 250 Mbps. I guess that's how it is. Right. So okay, moving forward on this one, just look at it. If I say I got 26 minus n for decryption, how does that work? In case of encryption, what I did was I said A, B, C, I said A, B, C, D, E, F, right? A, C, D, E, F, G, and something so on. So what I did was I mapped it like this. But when I map it like this, I said it reverse now. I said 26 minus n. So that means n over here is 3, right? So n over here is 3. Now the mapping is 23. So what happens is everything gets reversed. So for example, I say A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So I say A, B, C, D, E, G, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, right? Now I said 23, so it should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24. From here, we say A, B, C, D. So what happens is D maps with A. Right over like this, right? So when we say 26 minus n, everything matched in a reversed order. Does everyone get it? Right, guys? Does everyone get it? I think everyone did get it. So we'll take the call on everyone got it. So guys, don't just whatever I teach you guys, do practice on it. So your tomorrow's homework is you need to find somehow. I will give you a rotational matrix, right? And I won't tell you value of n. I need to come up with an output. What would the n is, right? Okay, I tell you what homework is. So you have to write a code. So for example, I say A, B, C, D, E, F, right? This is your encrypted code. N is not given. You don't know what is n. I want you to decrypt it. Right? Now think, how will you decrypt it when you don't know value of n? That's all. You have to think about that. That's all you have to do. So think, how will you decrypt it when you don't know value of n? And that's your homework. Thinking is your homework, not the code itself. If you write the code, fabulous, but thinking is your homework. Right? So think, how will you decrypt it? And see you guys tomorrow. Right? So I think that's all for today's lecture. Thank you very much for watching. Everyone understood what I taught. If you guys don't, I don't know what to say. You should understand it. I taught it nice. See, like there are only two ways you guys don't understand. Point number one, I am bad teacher. I don't teach nicely, and you don't understand anything. Or point number two, you don't understand anything. You don't want to. But on my side, I'm a fabulous teacher. I teach good. So you don't understand it. That's wrong on your side. मैं बढ़िया था. So let's have a drum roll and into the class, guys. Alexa, drum roll, please.
Okay.
Thank you, everyone. Bye bye. Tata. See ya. Sayonara. Haha.